Starting a business in 2025 isn't just about chasing profits. It's about finding the perfect balance between passion, market demand, and low startup costs. With shifting consumer behaviors, advancements in technology, and a growing emphasis on sustainability, the opportunities for entrepreneurs are bigger than ever. The dream of being your own boss, setting your own schedule, and building something from the ground up is no longer reserved for the select few. But the real question is, which businesses are actually worth starting in 2025? If you're looking for low-cost, high-profit business ideas that have real potential for success, this is the video for you. Whether you're interested in launching a coffee shop, online store, digital service, or a sustainable brand, we're breaking down the most promising business models for 2025. Some of these require only a laptop and an internet connection, while others involve setting up a physical space. But they all share one thing in common. They're designed to generate real income with minimal upfront investment. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and start your entrepreneurial journey, hit that like button, subscribe to The Legacy Room, and let's dive into the best small business ideas for 2025. Coffee is more than just a drink. It's a global obsession. Whether it's a cozy neighborhood cafe, a drive-through coffee stand, or a mobile espresso cart, coffee businesses continue to thrive because they tap into a daily ritual that people are willing to spend money on. One of the best things about starting a coffee business in 2025 is the range of options available. A small coffee cart or pop-up cafe requires significantly less capital than a full-scale shop, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking for an affordable entry point into the industry. A drive-through coffee kiosk, on the other hand, can generate high-volume sales with minimal seating or overhead costs. And for those with a bigger vision, a specialty coffee shop featuring ethically sourced beans, barista training, and a carefully curated menu can attract a loyal customer base willing to pay premium prices. But the coffee business isn't just about serving drinks. It's about creating an experience. The most successful coffee brands build a strong identity, whether it's through aesthetic cafe design, sustainability efforts, or a unique take on coffee culture. In 2025, customers are looking for more than just caffeine. They want an atmosphere, a story, and a connection to the brand. If coffee is your passion, this could be the perfect small business for you. Selling products online has never been easier, and in 2025, e-commerce is only going to get bigger. The best part? You don't even need to store inventory or handle shipping yourself. The dropshipping model allows you to sell trending products without the hassle of warehousing. Instead, orders are fulfilled directly by suppliers, making it one of the most low-risk, high-profit business ideas available today. To succeed in e-commerce, you need three key things: a niche market, a compelling brand, and a smart digital marketing strategy. Some of the hottest niches for 2025 include eco-friendly products, smart home gadgets, minimalist home decor, and fitness gear. The startup costs for a dropshipping business are relatively low, around $500 to $5,000 to set up a Shopify or WooCommerce store, run initial ads, and test product demand. But the real challenge is marketing. Mastering platforms like Facebook ads, TikTok marketing, and SEO optimization can take your e-commerce business from a side hustle to a six-figure empire. If you've ever dreamed of owning an online store but don't want the hassle of managing inventory, dropshipping might be the business for you. As more businesses shift their operations online, the demand for digital marketing expertise is skyrocketing. Every company, big or small, needs someone who understands how to drive traffic, increase engagement, and convert visitors into paying customers. The best part? You don't need a massive upfront investment to start a digital marketing business. If you already have skills in SEO, social media management, content creation, or online advertising, you can start offering services to businesses in need. Platforms like LinkedIn, Fiverr, and Upwork are great places to find clients and start building your portfolio. The key to success in digital marketing is staying ahead of the trends. In 2025, video marketing, AI-powered advertising, and influencer collaborations are shaping the way businesses connect with their audiences. If you can help brands navigate these changes, you can charge premium rates for your expertise. For those willing to put in the work and continuously learn, digital marketing is one of the most scalable and profitable businesses you can start today. The internet has completely changed the way people make money. No longer do you need to follow traditional career paths to earn a living. If you have a skill, passion, or unique perspective, you can monetize it online through content creation, courses, and community building. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Patreon allow creators to earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, and membership programs. Online education is another booming industry, with people paying for courses, coaching, and in-depth guides on everything from personal finance to fitness to productivity. The key to success in the creator economy is consistency. Those who build a strong brand and provide real value to their audience can turn a side hustle into a full-time career. Whether you're teaching a skill, entertaining an audience, or inspiring people through storytelling, there are endless ways to make money online in 2025. The remote work revolution isn't slowing down, and more businesses are hiring virtual assistants and freelancers to handle administrative tasks, social media, customer support, and creative projects. Starting as a virtual assistant, writer, video editor, or social media manager requires little to no upfront investment. Just a laptop, internet connection, and specialized skill set. Many freelancers start earning money within weeks of launching their business. And as they gain experience, they can increase their rates and build long-term client relationships. For those who value flexibility, independence, and remote work, freelancing offers financial freedom without the overhead costs of running a traditional business. One of the biggest trends of 2025 is sustainability. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious and are actively seeking eco-friendly alternatives to everyday products. Businesses that focus on zero-waste packaging, ethical sourcing, and sustainable materials have a huge advantage in today's market. Whether it's reusable household items, organic skincare, plant-based foods, or upcycled fashion, green businesses are on the rise. For entrepreneurs who care about the environment, this is the perfect opportunity to build a business that makes a difference while making a profit. Starting a small business in 2025 has never been easier, but the key to success is choosing the right opportunity and taking action. Whether you're passionate about coffee, digital services, content creation, or sustainability, there's a profitable business idea waiting for you. What business are you most excited about starting? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business insights from the Legacy Room. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now.